Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope all my viewers are fine by the grace of Allah. I have a news for English viewers. I hope you will enjoy. And after watch this video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Did you call aliens again? Twitter user asked Hrithik Roshan with picture of Jadoo. His reply is epic. Hrithik Roshan gave an epic reply to a Twitter user who asked if the actor had called the aliens again. Hrithik Roshan gave an epic reply to a Twitter user who asked him if he had mistakenly called the aliens to Earth once again. The tweet was in reference to the loud bomb that was heard in several parts of Bangalore today. That loud sound left the residents speculating about what it was. While many thought it was an explosion, others wondered if it was an earthquake, but the officials confirmed that neither was the case. Then what exactly was it? Well, it might have been because of the routine her test flying conducted by Aircraft and System Testing Establishment ASTE, but it is not still confirmed. Soon after the unknown noise baffled the Bangalore residents, the internet was brimmed with hilarious memes about the incident, and a section of the community wondered if aliens caused that loud sound. One such user posted a tweet and wrote, "Hey Heretic, is that you who called the aliens by mistake again?" The Twitter user referred to the film Koi Mil Gya, which featured an alien character called Jad. The Twitter caught Hrithik's attention and he replied saying that it was not a mistake, it's a time, he wrote. So my viewers, I hope you enjoyed with this news. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.